Hello and welcome to another video. Today we'll be looking at how you can trade volatility 75 index on 1 minute time frame. Volatility 75 on 1 minute time frame. I have three windows on my screen. I have indicator window 1. No, I have the main chart rather. It's my main chart, and this is indicator window 1. This is indicator window 2. All right, so three windows. And how does this strategy work? All right, for the main chart, I have three major lines. Okay, I have the purple line, I have the blue line, and I have the black line. All right, the blue line, that's 200 moving average. The purple line, that's 350 moving average, and the black line is 850 moving average. While the other lines, the green and the red lines, are smaller moving averages. Okay, let's look at the settings. All right, let's look at the settings. Okay, for the settings, I have fractals, purple. Okay, for price rejection to identify point of support or resistance. Okay, I have 20 period simple moving average applied to high, and the color is red. I have 20 simple moving average this time around applied to low. The initial 20 moving average applies to high with red color, but this one is applied to low, green color. Okay, I have 15 period simple moving average applied to low, green color. And the fourth one, I have 15 simple applied to high, red color. Okay, now the fifth moving average, all right, that's now 200 simple moving average, this time around applied to close, and the color is blue. And the sixth is the sixth, also 200 simple moving average, this time around applied to open. The initial 200 is applied to close, this time around applied to open, still blue color. Now the seventh moving average, we have 850 period simple moving average applied to open, and the color is black. Now the eighth moving average will be 1. It is the 8th. Now also 850 simple moving average, this time around applied to close. Okay, and the color is still black. Now I have the ninth moving average, this time around is 350 period simple moving average applied to close, and the color is purple. And the 10th moving average on the main chart is also 350 period simple, but this time around applied to open, and the color is purple. Now how does it work on the main chart? All right, when price drops below the red and the green moving averages, like you have a drop around here, the first second close of price, that's your sell signal. Okay, that's a signal to sell. Okay, and you can see what happened. Price came down. All right, but the 850, these are 850, the 200 and the 350 will serve as your resistance and support levels. I repeat, the 850 is 850, the 200 is blue, is the 200, and the purple will serve as resistance and support. Price dropped from below the 20 and 15 moving averages and found support on the 350 moving average. We are on 1 minute time frame. Okay, now found support here and then bounced to meet the resistance. Now break of the resistance, I am buying, expecting price to hit another resistance here. Okay, now that's that. How to sell? Okay, now to buy, you allow price to break above and close above, like you have here. We have a double bottom on the 200 somewhere around here, double bottom on the 200 somewhere around here, then price broke above the 20 and the 15 and then starts to bounce. Okay, found support, and you can see once you begin to see price closing above the 20 and 15, okay, you know you have a bullish scope. Okay, and you can see what happened until it dropped and start to close below, for you know you have a bearish scope. But as you have bullish and bearish scope, there are lines, 3 lines of support and resistance that price rovers around, which is the purple, the blue, and the black lines. Okay, now don't forget, around here the 20 and the 15 moving averages widen here to tell us we are in a range. But as we have a breakout of price going up, you can see the wide space narrows around here to tell you that price is trending up. Okay, so that's basically how to scalp using this strategy. For this particular part, we have a sell signal here as price starts to close below the 20 and the 15 moving average. Here we have a buy signal. Okay, as price starts to close above. All right, okay, we have a buy signal here. Okay, price starts to close above. Okay, you can see price closing, either it closes above or closes within, closes above, closes within, and start to form higher highs. Okay, all right, now here we have a sell scope. Okay, price starts to close below the moving averages. So but when you now have these 3 lines, when price now rovers between these 3 lines, you now use them, the blue, the purple, and the black lines, you use the 3 lines as your support or resistance zone. You can see price found resistance at the 200 here and then dipped. Okay, so that's basically how to use the indicators on the main chart. For indicator window 1, these are indicator window 1. All right, these are indicator window 1. When the red line, ADX line, drops below the 25-26 level, you stay action. But when it rises and penetrates between the levels and breaks it and goes up, you can enter buy or sell trade. When it drops but does not drop below and still bounce and goes up, you can enter buy or sell. Okay, so that's basically how to use the indicator window 1 setting. Like, you can start to trade around here. All right, as price enters into the 2 levels, but around here you can stop trading. Okay.